Oh, hey guys. Um, my name's Sean. I'm a wandering vagabond, and this is my Prius that I live out of. Currently, we're in the Rogue River Siskiyou National Forest in Oregon, and I want to show you guys what I do at campsites that I sleep at. Um, it's very simple, it's very easy, and it's something that all of us can do, whether we're taking advantage of nature or not. Just it's an everyday practice to get into that I think people have forgotten about, especially, you know, when you come out and you see beautiful nature like this and you don't even think about what's at your feet. All right, guys, let's clean up this site. We've been camped out here for 3 days now. Um, I don't know. I'm feeling like it's time to leave and time to move on to my next adventure. But before we leave, I mean, this place is pristine and beautiful as is. Let's try to make it better. So, I had an idea a while ago, and it was confirmed by other YouTubers that I watched, that if we're staying in these places and taking advantage of this wonderful free place that we've got and all of that, we need to make things better. And go around and clean up the trash in the campsites that you're at. All this, ew. Ew. I'm not talking about the whole forest, but your immediate surroundings. And obviously, don't touch things that are clearly human waste. Just walk down the road. Walk around your campsite. Check things out. I hate cigarette butts. I hate them with a passion. I'm not cleaning the forest. I've walked about a minute away from where I camped. I can still see my car. She's right there. And because I got you guys, I got a timer that I know how long I've walked for. Alright, across the road. There's a ditch on this side, so it might prove more beneficial, more collecting, I don't know. As you can see, I'm not going out of my way to hunt for things. I mean, I am, but I'm not. Plastic cap. Again, it's toilet paper, but it will biodegrade. I'm not touching it. There's an ick factor. It's too icky for me to know. Like that guy. Nice sweet McDonald's cup. Oh, that just disintegrates in my hand. All about space saving. Ah, up there. Score. He's a beer can. That's worth 10 cents in Oregon. Look, we're already back at the car. Shower the car with money. Yay! More cigarette butts. Smash beer can. You guys are gonna get sun washed. She's a bright one. All right. We've made it to a bunch of broken glass. Wow. And I was just about to turn around. Always be careful when you encounter broken glass, obviously. This is why I should have gloves. I just left them back at the car, not thinking that I was going to encounter glass out here. Another plastic baggie. One more big shard. Okay. Cross that road. This is why we're doing this. Keep lands like this beautiful. Allow me, you, and everybody else to take advantage of lands like this. I don't want to see it spoiled and trashed and ruined. Alright, let's continue our walk and go back to the car. This time, because of the corner, we can't see the car. Alright guys, eyes to the ground. Let's look for trash. The gimbal decided to move itself. Not seeing too much on this side of the road. Let me know in the comment section if I missed anything, guys. More toilet paper. Right on the side of the road too. That's the thing that confuses me. That towel was buried in there. I tried last night. And our beer can, we'll move that right next to the car so we know where it's at. No, we're not leaving that thing. We're special because we've got another road behind us. So that's where I've parked. I've already walked down there. And there was honestly not a single thing there. Alright guys, well, I don't know. I hope you, I don't care whether you appreciate what I do or not. I've gotten the idea from other people on YouTube. I've had the idea myself, but this is the least that we can do if we're living and staying and enjoying beautiful places like this. I mean, spend 30 minutes, clean up your campsites. Alright guys, just like that, 10 minutes later, we've got a bag of trash. And it's not a large bag of trash because where we were, it's already clean here. Mostly because forest fires have already destroyed everything, but still, who cares if it's your trash or not? Get rid of it. It doesn't belong out here. Please, guys. Yeah, if you enjoy, if you appreciate, if you agree, down there's comments, talk about it, give me a like, subscribe. This is not a kitschy thing to do. This is what I do at campsites. This is what I do at every one of my campsites when I'm out in the woods like this. Keep it clean, guys. Keep the forest beautiful. All right, till next time. Bye.